Hi, hello everyone. So my name is Arnold, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to perform Kannada speech recognition, basically speech recognition in Kannada language. So basically, I'll be doing it like around 10 lines of code, like it's so easy. All right. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, this is the Jupyter notebook, and I have first imported the model speech underscore recognition as SR. I'll be using this variable SR in the program, and recognizer, I'll create a variable recognizer is equal to SR dot recognizer, and then I'll create a with the serial microphone as inputs, and I'll just print please speak now. So that's the moment when I get inside that with the microphone loop. So that's when I need to start speaking, and there's a variable called listening is equal to recognizer dot listen of inputs, and once I finish speaking, I'll just print that it's analyzing, and I'll also use try and accept to print the the output if it's correct. And I'll also store whatever I've said in a variable called ent. Like you can take it anytime, like you can create a variable whichever you want, it's a b c or anything, but I have just given a random name ent is equal to recognizer dot recognize underscore Google. So basically the API or the speech recognition system what I'm using is from Google. So recognizer dot recognize underscore Google, and of listening, and the language what I have mentioned is KN-IN, like that's the Kannada language in India, right? So you have many various other languages also. So and if the recognizer or speech recognition system could not understand what you said, it says please speak again, or if you didn't speak during that time, it says it takes an exception and prints that please speak again, right? So let's try to get this short demo done. I'll just run this first block of code and then run the second one, right? It says please speak now. Nanu uta madide. Alright, so there's the output, right? It says Nanu Uta Madide, and that's exactly how it's written in Kannada also. So it's a very basic Kannada speech recognition system, and you can actually use it in your projects or various other recognition systems if you're trying to work on. And not only that, I told you that I'll be storing this string that is Nanu Uta Madide in a variable called ent. So I can actually type ent and try to print, and you can see there it's stored in the form of a string. Nanu Uta Madide, right? So this is all about Kannada speech recognition, and in the next video I'll also be back with Kannada translation, like how to speak and then translate that sentence back to English, right? So even that can be done. Alright, thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Thank you so much. Cheers.